Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and welcome to another unboxing. Shout out especially kay Sir J. Sir J. This is your unit, the model M9A3 Beretta Airgun Pistol by Umarex. Okay, so this is CO2 powered 12G airgun pistol. And the projectile is 4.5mm steel ball, copper coated steel ball. Yan, dumidikit po sa magnet yan, steel ball, 4.5mm. And this is the box of the unit, airgun pistol, model M9A3. Officially licensed by Beretta, Umarex brand. Okay, let's open the box. Comes with the owner's manual, maintenance manual, and the unit M9A3. Fixed rear sight, fixed front sight with extended barrel na meron siyang thread. Ayan. You can also install flashlight. This is Paul Metal model M9A3 airgun pistol, licensed by Beretta. Ayan. Okay, and the magazine is ilan ba ang capacity nito? This is 18, I think. Ayan. Beretta. Check natin. Yes, 18 rounder capacity. This is the magazine. So, check natin yung magazine niya. Okay, higpitan ko na po yung kanyang valve. Lalagyan ko na siya ng oil. It also comes with silicone oil for free. Okay. Load tayo ng bibis. Sa pag-load po ng bibis, baba nyo lang yung spring. Okay, and then load tayo ng CO2. Sa pag-load naman ng CO2, lagyan lang natin ng oil. Then, pasok lang natin. Okay, and then, hihigpitan lang po natin. Kailangan po mabilis po ang ikot. Okay, and then tamang pihit lang po, tamang higpit lang po. Okay. So, loaded na tayo. Again, this is the model M9A3 airgun pistol, Paul Metal. Yan, so meron siyang manual safety. So, yan. Pag naka-down yung safety, di siya puputok. Okay. So, testingin po natin, Sir J. This is your M9A3 model airgun pistol. Sir J, testing sir. Airgun pistol M9A3 steel ball. Firing. Basag ang bote. Okay, all goods na po, Sir J. Again, this is the model M9A3 airgun pistol by Umarex.